In this tutorial, I will show you curve image adjustment layer in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So I have opened this beautiful image. So you can access, this is adjustment, image menu adjustment, and this is curves, which shortcut is Ctrl+M. So this is destructive way of working. This is curve. If you work on this will be permanently added in the image. So I will not work from here. I am work from either here, new adjustment layer curves, or from here, this is curves. So I am going to layer and access these curves from here. You can see this is curves layer, this is the curves layer, and this is the mask. So you can see this is the, here is the master slider. So I am clicking it. I want to expose this area, so I am clicking here and dragging the cursor in the upper part. So you can see that in the curve menu here, this is moving to the upward. I am again accessing this, clicking here, and I am moving in the lower part. So you can see in this way I can easily add color correction or adding any exposure or shadow in this way very easily in curve adjustment. So here is also, you can see this is black point. So I am clicking here, and if I select any black point, you can see I am clicking here, it will be automatic adjusting the shadow part. Also if I click here, it will be adjusting the midtone, and this is white part. I am clicking, just this will not very good area. This is, so in this way I am easily color correct the image with the curve adjustment. Here is two ways. This is edit points, and this is draw to modify the curve. You can also click here and modify the curves from here. You can draw and the curves will be modified. I am drawing it here and drawing it here. So this is the option. Also this is clipping mask, this is previous state, and this is adjustment reset button, and this is turned on and turned off. So also here is some preset. You can see this is few preset here to increase contrast, light or shadow. Also here is channel. You can easily modify this channel. This is point, and I can easily add more red in the scene or image. Simultaneously, as I can add more green or blue. In this way I can work on this. So I am select RGB. Also here is another option. I am holding down Alt and click auto. You can see there is same options that was in the level adjustment. So this is enhance monochromatic contrast, enhance channel per contrast, find dark and light colors, and enhance brightness. Also you need to click snap neutral midtones here to color correct that image. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.